looks really classy.
That is love, baby. That's what we do here on VCFL. Make drink.
If you ride down Vice Beach, ride fucking naked, cause I am a renegade.
Hey, Louise.
Hey, Vic. How you keeping?
Better now.
Good.
Hey, don't stop. I'm waiting for Marty.
No, it's nice to talk to someone. So, Phil said you was in the service?
Yeah, but I screwed up.
You and me both.
Damn it, woman. If you're gonna dress like a whore, I'm gonna turn you out.
I was doing my aerobics, Marty! For crying out loud, give me a break.
I will. A broken fucking neck. You watch your mouth in my goddamn house.
Sorry.
Now look what you gone and done, you imbecile. Jesus, woman. Hey, what's up, Vic Vance?
You said you might have some other work.
Yeah, sure. I got some debts people need to start paying. What? If you don't shut that brat up, woman, I will!
Screw you, Marty! You're nothing but an inbred hillbilly piece of shit!
You better watch your mouth, tramp, or I'll knock them teeth out.
That's it! I'm taking the baby and I'm going to stay with my sister!
Good! Go ahead, go! Fat-ass pig sister of hers. I'll hit her and all, too. Come on, let's get out of here.
Here's a list of shit needs repossessing. I don't think you got the stones to get it for me. Prove me wrong.
Your cousin's slower than a three-legged turtle.
Give that girl a guy next to you, turn up some Wally Batteroo and feel the rhythm. And if you get too worked up, try the rhythm method. It's mambo, serious rhythm.
Hey! Son of a bitch, that's my car!
Don't take it personally, pal.
Fresh 105, baby.
Fresh. Funky fresh. Fresh. Funky fresh.
Struggle with each full flavored cigarette. You're a goddess. Smoke like one too. Athena 200s.
It's Athena. Athena 200s.
Cuidado que por ahí vienen los anormales.
I paid Marty off weeks ago, man!
Wait a minute.
It's like that, and that's the way it is. That's what the fuck I told VCPD last night, and they put me in jail. And that's the way it is. Fuck Vice City Police Department. You are listening to Planet Patrol right here on Vice City's #1 radio station. You are seriously playing at your own risk right now.
What the hell are you doing? Hey, donkey boy! Hey, my bitch wants to meet you. Better bunch of dick assholes. You think you're... Hank, get that van out of here!
Why do I get the impression none of those debts were genuine?
Whatever I say is mine. And what I say goes. If you want to get on around here, you'll learn that one, kid. not supposed to have
Positioning it.
permission to
Damn,
board.
I got kicked out, like you.
Hey, Louise.
Hey, Vic. How are you?
Getting better.
Well, all right.
Hey there.
You deserve good things, honey.
Maybe.
Better than this shit.
Hey, come on. What's wrong?
Nothing. Everything. It's bullshit. I mean, I'm a fucking mess. Didn't finish high school. Got a kid by a goddamn prick. Living on my sister's couch. No hope.
Come on, you're just going through a bad time right now. Things will improve. You'll see.
Show me a way out. Just show me a fucking way out.
I don't know. Look at it this way. I've been kicked out of the military. Now I'm working with jerks, robbing people, all to pay for my brother's medical bills. While my mother freebases half the money I sent anyhow. I am not the one to ask for advice.
Look at us. What a pair.
Pathetic, huh?
Worse than pathetic.
Hey, you want to go out? Maybe? Get some fresh air? Have some fun?
Sure. Sounds good. Say, Phil said there was a quad bike race at the trailer park.
Hey, there you go. Hey, great. Quad bikes and moonshine. Let's go.
This bit property don't be stopping me.
My ninja sword is in the trunk.
Will the baby be okay back at your sister's?
Sure, she'll be just fine. I'm looking forward to having me some fun.
I believe what the old man says, though I know that there's no Lord above. I believe in me, I believe in you, and you know I believe in love. I believe in truth, though I lie a lot. I feel the pain from the push and shove. No matter what you put me through, I'll still believe in love. And I say, I love your love action. Love's just a distraction. No talking, just looking, watching your love action.
Good luck, Vic. You'll need it.
Vice City, I'm Terry. The great thing about pop music before videos was you didn't have to see naked purple midgets crawling out of bathtubs. You made your own video. Radio will always rule, and these new videos are crap.
I'm gonna be in the video for this next song, I think. It's going to be about how I always get past the bouncers at the hottest clubs.
Right, sliding past the bouncer on your knees, you skank.
You crabs, bitch. And I get to dance off with an angry pimp and make out with an artist artist who likes to paint on a fire escape during thunderstorms. Man, I love my life. I love myself.
Someone has to. This is Flash FM Vice City.
Come on, Vic! Act like a man! I had the best time.
Glad to hear it, Louise. Look, I'm a little worried about your baby.
Oh, Mary Beth? She'll be fine, but maybe I'd better get back.
Wait up. I'll take you.
That's okay. Will you call on me sometime, Vic Vance?
So it seems I got some competition.
What do you mean?
Them damn cholos are trying to muscle in on my repo business. It's time I sent them a message.
Grenades?
I just want to make sure they hear what I have to say.
Prize Patrol, where there's carry-on, we'll start feasting. Tell Vice City you're a rebel. All you need to do is pick up your V-Rock window sticker, place it on your car window, or right on the primer, and you'll not only let everyone know what kind of music you like, you'll set the record straight on your sexuality once and for all. Plus, if the Prize Patrol stops you, you'll win a V-Rock.
with Laszlo and Cousin Ed. We're gonna,
You are doing that all wrong. You sound about as much fun as a chainsaw enema, and trust me, that's not a lot of fun. You gotta sound like you're the party organizer, not the funeral director.
What are you talking about? Give me a break, and I'm trying to be myself.
No wonder we're suffering. This is V-Rock, shithead, not emotion. V-Rock. Doing our bit for the community by keeping this freak off the streets. Let's get our gender in order. Let's play some rock.